Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add drawings to your project or element on the Alight Motion application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the plus icon down below in order to create a new project or element, but you can also select from your already existing projects or elements. Tap on the relevant one, click on the plus icon in the right side corner down below and tap on freehand drawing, which is the last option in that section. You should select your color here, select the size of your tool, and then you are ready to create your drawing. As you can see, you have the possibility to cut it out. Here you can customize your color, so create a new color and use these options that are available to you, so that you can use other colors, not just the preset ones. Here you can use your brush as well. It's another tool, and that's an eraser. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.